So we are going to go through Apple CarPlay, which is very easy to use. What you'll need is your Apple iPhone and your USB cord. So what you do is take your USB cord, plug it into the port, and then we're going to take the other end and plug it into our iPhone. Give it a couple seconds for the car to detect, and then you'll have a message to click OK, and then you'll want to allow the Apple CarPlay, and then you unlock your phone and you allow, and then you'll see all of your apps pop up here on the touchscreen. The CarPlay is really nice. You can use all of your functionality that you use with your phone right here through the touchscreen. So all of your apps, whether it's your navigation apps, your Google Maps, or your Waze, you can interact with it right here on the touchscreen. Also, all the phone connectivity with your phone and your messages. And finally, your streaming services with your Pandora or your iTunes or whatever you prefer. So you click on some of these apps that you want to use, they'll pop right up here. For example, Waze, I can plug in an address, I can speak through the voice commands, and it will be interacted right here on the touchscreen. So very easy to use, and that's Apple CarPlay.